Hello, I'm Colonel Akshai Gandhi. I'm the commander of the 169th Fighter Wing here at McEntire Joint National Guard Base in Columbia, South Carolina. I want to tell you a little bit about what the South Carolina Air National Guard has been doing during this fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. First and foremost, we have to keep our airmen safe. And in doing so, that enables us to make sure that we stay on mission for homeland defense. We have the responsibility to protect the southeast continental United States, and that mission has gone uninterrupted 24/7 for quite some time. Additionally, we need to make sure that we're ready to respond in any way necessary as tasked by our National Command Authority. This means that we have been flying constantly training sorties to ensure that our airmen are ready to go if and when the call comes to execute our mission sets, which are primarily suppression of enemy air defenses in support of the United States National Defense Strategy. Here at home in South Carolina, Swamp Fox Airmen have been heavily engaged with the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Our logistics airmen have worked hand in hand with Army National Guard soldiers to distribute strategic national stockpile materiel. At the same time, our senior medical airmen have been working hand in hand to ensure that the military support of the civilian-led efforts against the pandemic here in South Carolina are best supported. We have airmen being applied wherever is necessary and where they can do the most good to help the state's response. About a week and a half ago, we had a really neat opportunity. We decided to execute Operation American Resolve. This is a larger Air Force effort to say thank you to our healthcare workers. So after our aircraft that were airborne that day completed their training mission, they air refueled and then executed 3 different routes where we had 2 F-16s on each route overfly roughly 67 different hospitals. And this is where the real heroes of the COVID-19 pandemic fight are doing the amazing work of taking care of the people who have been infected. This was a special Swamp Fox tribute and thank you to the heroes, our healthcare heroes, and we're so incredibly proud of everything they're doing day in and day out and the sacrifices they are making. As we follow the governor's lead coming out of this crisis, we're going to have a new normal. And that new normal will involve making sure that our airmen are resilient and ready to continue the mission. We'll assure that we have effective social distancing. And I'd like to close by saying I'm just always amazed and exceptionally proud how our Swamp Fox airmen manage to deal with all sorts of adversity and continue the mission. It is truly an honor and privilege to be able to serve with such great South Carolinians.